In second place so far sa ating team standings. That despite the fact.
Off and running. Ito ko na ng Red Bull.
So far, pang-apat yan. Yes.
At tumatakbo mga nakaputi. Briones laban kay Tonya. Nice behind the ball.
Yes,
Red Bull.
yes,
And he goes out. Excellent work.
This is the run. At partner, mukha yata pagod na ito si Durantes.
Ito yung huling galaw ni Lowell Briones. Behind the back from the Cebu City native. And the former NBA player showing his stuff here. Getting a basket on the lip.
Ato Agustin's pass to Lowell Briones. Binabantayan ni De La Cruz. Briones. Oh, nice move by Lowell Briones.
Well, you notice that in the offensive set ng Red Bull, hindi na nila hinihintay ito.
And then, si Kenny Evans ang ibinalik dito as Briones takes a tough shot. Oh my God. Briones with a magical shot. Here's Briones in action. Up and under move. Tough shot. Laban sa depensa and Lowell line. Pero medyo nawala siya ng konti. Here he comes again behind. Oh! Reverse layup for Lowell Briones. 6 points.
Durantes. So, nag-iba na naman ang defensive adjustment dito.
Backdoor play. Briones again.
Will score 10 points.
8 points here in the fourth quarter. 10 in Luigi Trillo. Backdoor play. Briones ang nagdadala ng sakit at pait. Getting a backdoor play off Kenneth Durantes.
Lowell Briones, check back in.
Tama. Ako si Briones, taga Cebu ito, di ba? Oo, dahil very prominent name. Ang apelyido yan.
Turnovers, apat yung Shell. Dalawa yung Red Bull. Pasok!
Lowell Briones. Stopping on a dime at anim na naman ang kalamangan ng batang Red Bull. To Chris Jackson. Pero dito pasok. Oh, Kirby Raimundo comes down with the rebound. Narito si Briones. Dribbling violation on Lowell Briones. Ito si Briones, taga Cebu. Yes. Here's Miller. Miller at the baseline. Briones is open. Yes! Ganda nung ginawang niya ni Willie Miller. Dahil Briones! Parang isip-isip na yung ginawa na yun na nakakita kay Lowell Briones sa ilalim. Sabi ni Hap.
Hindi. Too valuable. 60% shooter from the line. Maraming salamat pala kasamang Andy Howe for the Spy Wine Cooler. Itong kaibigan natin si
sumama sa paa ni Ato Agustin. Here's Agustin, binalik sa kanya ni Briones.
Nice passing.
4 straight points and the lead is down to 8.
Very low scoring game.
Ito na naman si Briones.
Oops. Tatawa ko ng offensive foul. Pang-apat yan, yes. And Lowell Briones.
He's affected by the defense of Marsan, partner. Quite definitely.
Nakukulitan siya.
Of course, Tanduay will try their best to attack him. And that should be legal defense right there. Very clearly, wala pa yung pasa. And a smart decision by Lowell Briones to hold that pass. That last play. Magandang isolation yun para kay Miller. That they gave him that isolation from the wing.